Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exams, and we are discussing the topic theta beta M diagram. So in previous video we discussed the diagram and first 2 points. Now I will repeat this or briefly discuss these 2 points again, and this theta beta M diagram. Your theta is your deflection angle, beta is your shock wave angle, and M1 is your upstream Mach number. So this is the theta beta M plot. Here in horizontal coordinate, this is your deflection angle, and in vertical coordinate there is shock wave angle, and this is your curve for a particular value of M, that is 2. And if we take M is equal to 3, then this is the curve, and if we take M is equal to 5, then this is the curve, and these are the curves corresponding to different Mach number. So this is your theta beta M diagram. So this is your theta deflection angle, this is your beta, and this is your straight shock wave. And in the first point we discussed the particular curve that is corresponding to Mach number 2. For Mach number 2 or for any Mach number, there is a maximum value of theta, this value, okay, beyond which there is no solution for this straight wave. The solution is there for curved wave, or we can say if theta is greater than theta max, then there is curved wave and it is detached wave, and when theta is less than theta max or theta lies within this range for M2 M1 equal to 2, then there is a solution. There are two solutions actually. So there is solution, and the shock waves are attached. Okay. When theta is less than theta max, the shock waves are attached, and there is solution for straight shock wave. And when theta is greater than theta max, there is a curved wave, and the shock waves are attached. And in the second point we discussed that if we take particular value of theta, suppose 15, then and take particular value of M, then there are two solutions for beta. One is your 15 M is equal to this, say 42 or 43, and other is corresponding to 15 and M is equal to say 82 or 83. So there are two solutions. So this solution is called weak solution, and this solution is called strong solution. Nature prefers weak solution, and after in weak solution, after shock the flow will remain supersonic. Okay, here the flow is supersonic, and this can also be supersonic except near this peak. Okay. But in case of strong solution, this is supersonic and this will be subsonic. Huge difference. That's why it is strong shock. Okay. So nature prefers your weak solution, and this weak solution can be changed to strong solution if we adjust back pressure. So these 2 points we have discussed. Now third point is, if theta is 0 or deflection angle is 0, then beta will be your pi by 2, corresponding to a normal shock wave. And if we take the Mach wave, then beta will be your mu. So there are two solutions. So one is pi by 2 and other is mu for theta is equal to 0. Okay. So that is your third point. Now the fourth point is, if we take particular deflection angle theta, okay, and take weak solution, then we can see that if we take suppose 20, okay, or suppose we take 25, then we can see that here Mach number is infinity, then Mach number is 5, then Mach number is 3, then Mach number is 2. Okay. So as we decrease Mach number, this shock wave angle will increase for weak solution. If we go like this, here M is equal to infinity, 5, 3, and then 2. For 2 there is no solution. So it means as we decrease Mach number, this shock wave angle will increase. That is your third point. For a fixed deflection angle theta, as the pre-stream Mach number decreases from high to low supersonic value, the wave angle increases. For the weak shock solution, finally there is a Mach number below which no solution are possible at this Mach number theta is equal to theta max. For lower Mach number, the shock becomes detached as shown in figure. So here we have taken 25, so there is solution for m is equal to 20, m is equal to 5, m is equal to 3, but there is no solution for m is equal to 2, because here theta is greater than theta max. For lower Mach number there can be no solution. If we start from higher subsonic to and go to lower subsonic. Okay. Two more points can be analyzed from the theta beta relation as well as from the theta beta chart. These are: considering figure theta beta m together with oblique shock relations, we can see, for example, that a fixed Mach number as for a fixed Mach number, as theta is increased, beta P2 T2 and rho 2 increase. So that we see. Now if we take Mach number 2, then if we increase theta, go like this, then beta will increase. And if beta will increase, then pressure, temperature and your density will also increase. But m2 will decrease, because then it will approach to near to normal shape. Okay. So however theta increases beyond theta max, if theta is beyond theta max, the shock wave becomes detached, or we will come in this region. In this region. That's why the shock will become detached. If theta is increased beyond this, the shock will be detached. And if we go on increasing theta, the beta will increase as pressure, temperature and density will increase, and there will be a strong shock. So if strong shock is there, then m2 will decrease. Okay. Next point is, alternatively, for a fixed theta, as m1 increases from unity, the shock wave is first detached, reverse of it, then becomes attached when m1 equals the value of theta is equal to theta max. So here suppose we have this point, okay, and if we go on increasing Mach number, here it is suppose we are at this point or at this point. If we go increasing Mach number, then first it will detach, then because theta is greater than theta max, and then it will become attached. That is the reverse of first point. Okay. As the Mach number increase further, the shock remain attached, beta decreases, P2, T2, rho 2 and M2 increases. These comment apply to weak shock solution. So here if we increase Mach number, then it will become attached and beta will go on increasing, and Mach number will decrease. This Mach number, this M2, this will increase, and this will also increase, because weak shock will be there.